Good evening. Let's continue our lessons out of John Thompson's Modern Course for the Piano. We're going to be doing lesson number 4, which is the traffic cop in the book. So again, I'm going to play the piece through with my both hands first, and then my right hand, and then my left hand, and then we'll discuss the piece. So let's go here with the traffic cop. Okay, right hand slowly. Okay, left hand. Okay. So let's talk about the traffic cop. Up here we have a different time signature. Now we are in 2/4 time, 2/4. So what does that mean? That means that we still have quarter notes as one beat, but we only have 2 beats per measure. And remember about the accent on the first note of each measure. Accent the first note of each measure. Traffic, go. Traffic, stop. All must heed the traffic cop. When I'm grown, I shall be just as fine as cop as he. Okay, let's look at this. They tell you to use your 5 major finger 5 position. We know about that. Go back and review it if you need to. Hunt for the melody patterns and think phrase by phrase. They don't have it explicitly drawn here, but look at this as a little phrase here. Traffic go. Traffic stop. All must heed the traffic cop. Think about playing phrase by phrase. Let's look at this first phrase. We're starting with an E on our right hand, 3rd finger. E, E, so we stay the same. Then we skip down to C. E, E, C. What is kind of fun in this little piece is here in the left hand you have a little bit of an echo because you have E, E, C here. And you'll hear that little echo. It changes in the next phrase a little bit. Traffic stop. We got an E, E, C here too. Start with a C here. We got E, E. And you're expecting, okay, it's going to be E, E, C on the left hand. But no, it's an F. We're changing our harmonics a little bit here. And we'll talk about that at a later date. So then we're going at the D. D, D, E, D, C, E, G. I want you to think about this C, E, and G. You've got a C, you skip up to the E, and you skip up to the G. That is our bass chord in the key of C. We haven't talked about it, but that is a C chord. C, E, G. I'm just going to take my hand down here and show it to you. C, E, G. I'm going to hit those 3 together. Don't they harmonize just beautifully? That's your C chord. C, E, G. look for that when you're playing in the key of C. That is your bass chord of this key. We'll talk about other chords as we learn music together. I think that's enough about chords today. You're going to see pieces of that chord in both the right and the left hand, either the whole thing or all of it. For example, here is a piece of it. There's your E and your C going together. I'm going to play those two. See how they harmonize? Then you have it here too, and they harmonize here. Okay, we're coming down to here, and we have the D, D, E, D, C. Then we have a C, E, and a G. There's our C chord again. And there's part of your C chord there, E, E, C, and again E, E, C. And then we have this D and F. Oh, I'm just so tempted to talk about that, but I think we'll wait until a later date on that. And we got E, D, C, just a nice step down. And then we have C, E, C. I don't know if you've noticed, but probably all four of the pieces that we've discussed thus far are key of C pieces, and they all end on C. And that is no coincidence. Just kind of think about that. All right. So I'm going to play the right hand now for you real quickly. There's that C chord. There's one note that we haven't played in this song on the right hand. What note is it? I want you to look for that and think about what note you won't be playing in these 5 notes. Let's look at that left hand again. Okay, C, E, E. And then there's that little echo we talked about, E, E, C, E, E, C. And then here it is again, E, E, but it doesn't go to C. They go up to an F, and then a G and an F. And then here we got E, C, E. We're seeing a lot of E and C combinations in here, skipping down to the C, skipping up to the E. Here we are down to the C again, and then back up to the E, and the C, and the E's. And here we have an F, and then we have G, F, E, G, E. All right, I'm going to play the left hand real quickly again for you. Okay, that's pretty conclusive on the traffic cop. Again, after you've practiced with it a little bit, go back and refer to the first part of this video for watching my hands. Have a good evening.